Hello everyone. This is another example of circuit synthesis problem. The example is construct the circuit diagram for following LC impedance function using the first Cauer form and also apply the second Cauer form. In Cauer form, we are using continuous fraction expansion. This is the given impedance function. Said LC is equal to 4 times s squared plus 1 times s squared plus 16 over s times s squared plus 4. This is the impedance function. Before apply Cauer form, we have to check whether the given impedance function is realizable or not. For that one, we have to check general properties of passive RLC function. And these are the properties. We have to check each and every property, whether it is satisfied or not. And there are some additional properties of LC driving point function. There are 5 properties. We have to check those properties also. In the previous video, I discussed these properties, and according to that video, this function is realizable. Then we can apply the Cauer form to the given impedance function. First, I will apply the first Cauer form. I expand the impedance function, said LC is equal to 4s, it's to the power 4 plus 68 s squared plus 64 over s to the power 3 plus 4s. This is the expansion of this impedance function. Now I can apply the first Cauer form. In here, you can see degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. Then we can apply the division s to the power 3 plus 4s. I divide the numerator by the denominator. 4s to the power 4 plus 68 s to the power 2 plus 64. This is the numerator. From this one, I can obtain 4s. If I multiply this 4s by this denominator, 4s to the power 4 plus 16s squared. I subtract these two, 0 plus 52s squared plus 64. Then I use this term here, s to the power 3 plus 4s. After multiply these two, I can get 1 over 52 into s cube plus 64 over 52 s. If I multiply this term by this one, then subtraction 0 plus 36 s over 13 is the answer. Then I use this term here, 52 s squared plus 64. From this one, I can get 52 into 13 over 36 times s. If I multiply this value by this one, 52 s squared plus answer is 52 squared. Then I subtract these two, 0 plus 64. Then I can use this term here, 36 over 13 s. From this one, I can get 36 over 13 into 64 s. If I multiply this term by this, I can get 36 over 13 s. The final answer will be 0. Then these are the obtained value from each and every step. There are 4 values. Now we have to check what are the elements representing in each and every value. If I consider a inductor, impedance of the inductor is Ls and the admittance is 1 over Ls. If I consider a capacitor, impedance is 1 over Cs and admittance is Cs. I can use these terms for obtaining what are the elements. This one is impedance value is Z1 and it will be an inductor with the value of 4 Henry. This one is a admittance value. According to these terms, it will be a capacitor. C1 value is 1 over 52. And when I consider the third one, it is again impedance value. According to these terms, it will be an inductor. Value is 169 over 9 Henry. And when I consider the last one, it is admittance value. And it is similar to a capacitor. Then the last element is a capacitor. C2 is value is 9 over 208 farad. According to the first Cauer form, there are 4 elements, 2 inductors and 2 capacitors. Then I can draw the final circuit diagram. First element is connected in series and the second one is connected in parallel. Third one again series and the last one is parallel. Inductor 1 is 4 Henry and inductor 2 is this value 169 over 9 Henry and this is a capacitor 1 over 52 farad and this one is capacitor 2 value is 9 over 208 farad. Then final impedance value can be get from these 2 points ZLC S. This is the final circuit that we can obtain for the given impedance function. It has 2 series connected inductors and 2 parallel connected capacitors. Then we will move to the next one, second Cauer form. For that one, we have to rearrange the function. The function is 4s to the power 4 plus 68 square plus 60 square plus 64 over s cube plus 4s. In here, the order of the s in ascending order 4, 2, and 0. In denominator 3 and 1. When we apply second Cauer form, we have to rearrange this term into ascending order. Then numerator will be 64 plus 68 s squared plus 4s to the power 4. And the denominator also 4s plus s cubed. You can see x to the power 0, x to the power 2, x to the power 4. In the denominator, x to the power 1 and x to the power 3. All are in ascending order. Then I can apply the second Cauer form. 4s plus s cubed, 64 plus 68 s squared plus 4s to the power 4. From this one, I can get 16 over s. When I multiply 16 by s, for this one, 64 plus 16 s squared. Then I subtract these two, 0 plus 52 s squared plus 4s to the power 4. Then I use this term here, 4s plus s to the power 3. From this one, I can get 1 over 16s. Then I multiply 1 over 16s by this term, 4s plus 4s cube over, so this one, not the 16, this will be 1 over 13. If I multiply 1 over 13 by this one, 4s plus 4s cube over 30. In subtraction, 0 plus 9s cube over 30. Then I can use this term here, 52s squared plus 4s to the power 4. Answer will be 52 times 13 over 9 into 1 over s. This will be the answer. If I multiply this term by this, I can get 52 s squared. Subtraction is 0 plus 4s to the power 4. Then final one, I can use 9s cube over 30 here. From this one, I can get 9 over 13 into 4, 1 over s. Then we have finally, I need to multiply this term by this. Answer will be 9s cube over 13. Final answer is 0. Then we have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is impedance value, Z1. This is admittance value. This is again impedance value. And final one is admittance value. According to these terms, this element will be a capacitor C1 with the value of 1 over 16. This can rearrange 1 over 1 over 16 S. Then capacitor value will be 1 over 16. This one will be a inductor. Value is 13. And again, impedance value, it will be a capacitor. Value is 9 over 52 into 30. And last one is inductor. L2 value is 13 into 4 over 9. Then we can draw the final circuit. First element is a capacitor, and second element is a inductor. Third element again capacitor, and final element is a inductor. We can obtain the total impedance from these 2 points. So del C is, this is capacitor 1, value is 1 over 16, and this is inductor 1, value is 13, and this one is capacitor 2, value is this one, nine over 52 into 13, and last element is inductor, value is this one, 13 into 4 over 9. This one is 9 over 52 into 30. You can simplify your answer, the final values. In the second Cauer form, there are two capacitors and two inductors, but inductors are connected in parallel and capacitors are connected in series. In first Cauer form, capacitors are connected in parallel and inductors are connected in series. I hope you all are clear about this example. This is the process for first Cauer form and second Cauer form. Thank you.